It's important for people to really use common sense and stay indoors to stay cool. If you don't have air conditioning, you can go to a public facility for several hours. You can go to the mall or to the libraries and so on to cool off. It's also important for people who have to be outside to pace themselves, to stay in shady areas, to drink lots of fluids before going out, while they are out, and when they come back in. It's important for people who must exercise to really limit the amount of exercise and to make sure that they remain hydrated throughout. Using sunscreen is very important as well in a day such as this. Wearing a hat with a wide brim is also very important. People should avoid leaving children in cars outside for any period of time at all. Basically, if anyone should feel dizzy, tired, it's very important that you stop, find a shady area to rest, and drink plenty of fluids. Make sure that there is enough water for your pets to keep hydrated. Your body's way of cooling down is to sweat, and sweating uses water. It depletes your body of water, so it's important to replenish that water all the time and avoid getting thirsty, because when you're thirsty, it's a sign of dehydration, and being dehydrated means that your body is losing more fluids and it's taken in, and that's not a good sign. So don't wait till you're thirsty to drink water. Just drink water as often as you can.